Now students will solve mensuration practice set 7.1 question number 6. So I'll read the question for you. Keep your textbooks ready with you. So the sixth question is given here. See, if you observe the sixth question, in that two figures are given. So I have already drawn here. First figure is a conical water jug and second figure is a cylindrical water pot. Now in the conical water jug, height of the cone is given 10 centimeter, radius is given 3.5 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is given 10 centimeter and radius of the cylinder is given 7 centimeter. So here we have to find how many jugs of water can the cylindrical pot hold. That means here the capacity of a jug and capacity of the cylinder is required to find. So when we are finding the capacity, we have to use a formula of volume of cone and volume of the cylinder. Now here the question is given about, ask about the number of jugs of water. So when the questions are given like this, okay, we have to find the number of jugs, number of something. So we that time we have to find the volume. So here we'll find first. Okay, so when we start writing this sum, always write the given things. So I'll write the given things from this. So given, I'll write about the for conical jug. Now in the conical jug, height is given, so we'll write that I'll consider h is given 10 centimeter and the given radius, so I'll write radius small r equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now I'll write about the cylinder. So for cylindrical pot, height of pot. Now this time I'll consider capital H. So capital H is equal to 10 centimeter and radius of pot, I'll consider capital R, is what given? 7 centimeter. Now we'll write the formula, that is what we have to find. How many jugs of water? So we'll find, let n be the number of jugs of water. Therefore, we'll find n is equal to volume of cylindrical pot whole upon volume of one conical jug. So see students, when we are using number of something, when we have to find, that time we'll use a formula volume of cylindrical pot, that is the big object upon volume of one small object. So here small object is a conical jug. Now here we'll use a formula for volume of cylinder. Now we know that formula is pi r square h. Now this time r is given, capital R we have considered. So here pi r square h upon volume of one conical jug will be 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now this r and h we have considered for conical jug. Now here we'll use a we'll put the values, that is pi get cancelled first. Now r square h upon r square h is remaining. This 3 I'll shift it up, so it will be 3 r square h upon r square h. So now 3 into radius is given 7 into 7 into height is 10 whole upon 3.5 into 3.5 into height is 10. So this 10 get cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 0.5. 7 ones are 7, 7 0.5. Now this two decimal shifted up. It will be 300 upon 5 into 5. That is 25. 25 divided to this 300. Answer will be 12. So 12 jugs. Therefore, number of jugs required equal to 12.